Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Textile pollution questions are quick once you spot the pattern. Identify the externality, predict market output versus social output, then match the right policy fix. Pollution created during production is a negative externality, which means firms impose costs on other people that are not included in the firm's private production decision. Because firms ignore that external cost in an unregulated market, they produce more textiles than is socially optimal. So the market overproduces instead of stopping at the efficient quantity. To internalize that extra external cost, the government uses a per-unit tax, since each unit produced creates pollution and should face a matching corrective charge. Well done. Option D, scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust what is given, then check each step before locking the policy choice.